Geometric number 7 with all-seeing eye. The number 7 stands for wisdom, luck, and spiritual perfection. The eye represents intuition, protection, and higher awareness. Meditating Buddha symbolizes inner peace, mindfulness, and spiritual awakening. It reminds you to stay calm and find strength within yourself. Triple spiral, triskele, represents balance between mind, body, and spirit. It also symbolizes growth, eternal movement, and life's continuous journey. Eye of Horus, an ancient Egyptian symbol of protection, healing, and good health. It is believed to ward off negative energy and bring good fortune. Modern eye design represents vision, clarity, and seeing beyond appearances. It symbolizes intuition, self-awareness, and staying focused on your path. Sailboat tattoo represents freedom, adventure, and the courage to explore new horizons. It reminds you to trust your journey, even through life storms. Sun and moon tattoo symbolizes balance between light and darkness, strength and peace. It represents harmony, hope, and the natural cycles of life. Heart and evil eye tattoo. The heart stands for love, while the evil eye offers protection from negativity. Together, they symbolize loving fearlessly while staying spiritually protected. Tree tattoo represents growth, resilience, and deep roots that keep you grounded. It symbolizes wisdom, stability, and the strength to weather every season. Dream catcher tattoo, believed to filter out bad dreams and negative energy while welcoming good dreams. It symbolizes protection, positivity, and peaceful sleep. Fitness and boxing tattoo. Strength is earned through discipline, and every heartbeat reflects the passion to keep fighting, a symbol of power, endurance, and the warrior spirit that never gives up. You only have yourself tattoo. The broken chain reminds you that true freedom comes from believing in yourself. No matter the situation, your greatest support is always you. Trust the process tattoo. Success takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Trust every step of your journey, even when results aren't immediate. God's plan tattoo, a reminder that every challenge has a purpose in a greater plan. Have faith, stay patient, and trust that life unfolds as it should. Die with memories, not dreams tattoo. Life is meant to be experienced, not just imagined. Create unforgettable memories by chasing adventures instead of postponing your dreams. Patience and hourglass. Great things take time, and every moment has its purpose. Patience is the strength to stay calm while trusting the journey. Risk and keyboard keys. Every success begins with the courage to take a risk. Stepping out of your comfort zone is how growth happens. Balance script tattoo. Life is about finding harmony between light and darkness. True balance comes from accepting both your strengths and flaws. Impossible with chess piece tattoo. The word impossible exists only until someone proves it wrong. With strategy, determination, and belief, anything is achievable. Believe mountains tattoo. Believe in yourself, even when the path feels difficult. Faith and persistence can help you conquer every mountain. Heartbeat mountains tattoo. Life is an adventure, and the mountains make your heart feel alive. Live every heartbeat chasing passion, freedom, and new heights. Power typography tattoo. Real power comes from resilience, discipline, and self-belief. No obstacle is stronger than a determined mind. Semicolon butterfly tattoo. A semicolon symbolizes choosing to continue your story instead of ending it. The butterfly represents healing, hope, and transformation after difficult times. Lotus Unalome tattoo. The unalome represents life's journey from struggle to enlightenment. The lotus and OM symbolize inner peace, spiritual growth, and purity of the soul. Spartan helmet arrow tattoo. A Spartan helmet represents courage, discipline, and the heart of a warrior. The arrow symbolizes staying focused and always moving forward despite challenges. Tribal deer tattoo. The deer symbolizes grace, strength, and a deep connection with nature. Its antlers represent growth, leadership, and overcoming life's obstacles. Flying raven tattoo. A raven in flight represents freedom, wisdom, and transformation. It reminds you to rise above fear and embrace new beginnings. Semicolon Birds Tattoo. The semicolon symbolizes choosing to continue your story instead of giving up. The birds represent hope, healing, and breaking free from pain. Comedy and Tragedy Masks Tattoo. The theater masks represent the balance of joy and sorrow in life. They remind us to embrace every emotion, as both happiness and hardship shape who we become. Yin Yang Sun and Moon Tattoo represents balance between opposites, light and dark, masculine and feminine, action and peace. Eye of Horus Ankh Tattoo. The Eye of Horus stands for protection, wisdom, and healing. The Ankh represents life, immortality, and spiritual strength. Koi Fish I Am Tattoo. Koi fish symbolize perseverance, transformation, and overcoming challenges. I Am reflects self-belief, identity, and confidence in one's true self. Anatomical Heart Fingerprint Tattoo represents a heart that is unique and deeply personal, symbolizes love, authenticity, and leaving your own mark on the world. Anchor Compass Tattoo. The anchor stands for stability, hope, and staying grounded. The compass symbolizes guidance, purpose, and finding the right path. Lotus Trident Peacock Feather Tattoo. The lotus represents purity, growth, and rising above difficulties. The trident signifies strength, while the peacock feather symbolizes beauty, spirituality, and wisdom.